Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another amazing episode of the Sophia Class Podcast. I am your energetic host, Sophia, and I am so happy you are here today. Are you ready to learn, Bob?
Hello, Sophia, and a big warm hello to all our wonderful listeners. Yes, I have my perfect cup of morning coffee, and I am completely ready.
I am glad you are ready, Bob, because I have a secret to tell you. Everyone listening, hold on tight. Right now, at this very second, we are flying. We are flying super fast.
Flying? Sophia, what do you mean? I'm sitting in my quiet chair drinking coffee. I'm not flying.
Oh, but you are. We all are. We live on a giant spaceship called Earth. Earth is a beautiful blue planet.
Ah, I understand now. Friends, a planet means a very large round object in space that moves around a star. Earth is a planet and Mars is a planet. We live on planet Earth.
Exactly. And our beautiful planet is flying through space.
That is a great word, Sophia. Space, friends, means the dark, empty area high above the sky where the stars, the moon, and other planets live. Space is huge and endless.
Yes, and Earth doesn't just fly straight. While it flies, it also spins.
Spin. Let me explain that word. To spin means to turn around and around quickly in a circle, like a wheel on a bicycle or a top playing on the floor. The Earth spins all the time, but we don't feel it.
Isn't that amazing, friends? Can you say the word spin? Try it with me. Spin. Great job.
So our spinning blue planet is moving through space. It really is like a giant spaceship. But what exactly is on this spaceship, Sophia?
Let's find out. It is time for everyone's favorite game, the imagination game.
Oh, I love the imagination game. Okay, I am closing my eyes. What do I do?
Everyone listening, close your eyes too. Imagine you are diving down into the water. You go past the fishes, past the whales, down, down into the dark ocean.
An ocean, friends, means a very, very large body of salt water. Most of our planet Earth is covered by the ocean. And Sophia, the ocean gets very deep.
Exactly. Deep means going far down from the top surface. For example, a baby pool is not deep, but the middle of the ocean is very, very deep. It is completely dark down there.
Okay, it is a bit too dark for me down there. Let's imagine going up out of the water, up to the top of the highest peak in the world.
Yes, a peak means the pointed top of a mountain. Mount Everest is the highest peak on Earth. You are standing on the peak and you can see the clouds below you.
Ah, yes, the peak is much better. It is quiet and the air is fresh.
Okay, friends, open your eyes. Do you prefer the deep, dark ocean or the high mountain peak? Think about it for a second. Wonderful choices. You know, Bob, standing on that high mountain peak makes me think about the weather. It is very cold up there.
It is. Earth has some very extreme places. For example, the very bottom of the Earth, called Antarctica, is freezing.
Brr, yes. Freezing means very, very cold. It is so cold that water turns into hard, solid ice. When it snows, the weather is freezing.
I actually like cold weather. I can sit inside with my hot coffee and read a book.
Oh, Bob, you are always so quiet. I want excitement. I want to go to the middle of the Earth. I want to visit the Equator.
The Equator. Friends, the Equator means an imaginary line drawn right around the middle of the Earth. Countries on the Equator are always very, very hot. There is no winter there.
Exactly. It is so hot there that if you take an ice cube from freezing Antarctica to the equator, it will melt very fast.
Good word, Sophia. To melt means to change from solid ice to liquid water because of heat, just like your favorite ice cream will melt if you leave it in the hot sun.
Nobody likes melted ice cream. Friends, what weather do you like? Do you like freezing cold weather or the hot weather of the equator? Say it out loud. Say it now. Great. Okay, Bob. We traveled from the ocean to the peak and from freezing ice to hot sun. Now I want to do some real time travel.
Time travel? Sophia, we are teaching English, not making a science fiction movie. Time travel is impossible.
Not on planet Earth, Bob. If I pick up my phone right now and call my friend in Japan, it is already tomorrow for her. We live in different time zones.
Oh, I see. Friends, a time zone means an area of the world that uses the same clock time. Because the Earth spins, the sun shines on America while Japan is in the dark, so their clocks show a different time.
Exactly. Because Japan's time zone is ahead, my friend is already living in the future.
Future. The future means the time that has not happened yet. Tomorrow, next week, and next year are in the future. So yes, Japan's clock is in the future compared to ours.
And while it is morning for us, for someone in another time zone, it might be midnight.
Yes, midnight means exactly 12 o'clock at night. It is the middle of the dark night when most people are sleeping.
Okay, friends, listening all over the world, look at your clock right now. What time is it in your time zone? Is it morning, afternoon, or midnight? That is the magic of our spinning planet.
So, Sophia, we talked about oceans, peaks, and even time travel. The Earth is a very, very big planet, but sometimes it feels very small.
Small? Bob, the Earth is huge. How can it feel small?
Well, hundreds of years ago, if you wanted to travel to another country, you had to walk or ride a horse for many months. But today, we have a flight.
Ah, yes. Friends, a flight means a journey in an airplane through the sky. Today, you can take a flight and be on the other side of the world in just 10 hours.
Exactly. Airplanes make the physical world smaller. And we also have the internet. The internet helps us connect with people everywhere.
Connect. To connect means to join two or more things or people together. For example, a bridge connects two cities, and your phone connects you to your friends. Because of the internet, Bob and I are connecting with you right now.
That is the best part of our job, Sophia. Because we are connected, our Sophia class is a global family.
Global, friends, means relating to the whole world. It means everywhere on Earth. Our English class is not just in one city. It is a global class.
Let's see how global we are. Friends, what country are you connecting from right now? Say the name of your beautiful country out loud. We are so happy to have you all here in our global family.
Okay, Bob, being global is great. Do you know why? Because if we are global, we can try all the amazing food from different countries.
I knew it. I knew you would talk about food soon, Sophia. But you are right. Every country has delicious food. But some global food can be a little weird for us.
Weird. Friends, weird means very strange and unusual. It means something is not normal for you. Bob, what is a weird food? Are you talking about your healthy salads again?
No, not salad. In some countries, a very popular snack is fried insects. People eat crispy, salty bugs.
Bugs? Oh no, that is too weird for me. I care very much about the ingredients in my food.
Good word, Sophia. Ingredients means the different foods you mix together to make a meal. For example, to make a cake, the ingredients are flour, sugar, and eggs. Bugs are definitely not my favorite ingredients.
Exactly. For my favorite pizza, the ingredients are simple: fresh bread, sweet tomatoes, and lots of melting cheese. If the ingredients are good, the taste is perfect.
Taste. Friends, taste means the flavor of food or drink in your mouth. Food can taste sweet, salty, sour, or spicy.
Okay, friends, it is your turn. Imagine a plate of fried insects and a plate of hot, fresh pizza. Which one do you want to taste? Say your answer out loud. I am sure most of you said pizza.
Well, Sophia, we have traveled around the whole world today, from deep oceans to weird foods. I think it is time to review our new words.
Yes, it is time for the big vocabulary review. We have a lot of words today, friends. Listen carefully. I will say the word, and Bob will give the simple meaning. Are you ready, Bob?
I am completely ready. Let's do it.
Planet.
A very large, round object in space, like our Earth.
Space.
The dark, empty area high above the sky.
Spin.
To turn around and around quickly in a circle.
Ocean and deep.
An ocean is a very large body of salt water. Deep means going far down from the top.
Peak.
The pointed top of a mountain.
Freezing and melt.
Freezing means very, very cold. Melt means to change from solid ice to water because of heat.
Equator.
An imaginary line around the middle of the Earth where it is always hot.
Time zone. Future and midnight.
Time zone is an area using the same clock time. The future is time that has not happened yet, and midnight is exactly 12 o'clock at night.
Flight, connect, and global.
A flight is a journey in an airplane. Connect means to join things together. Global means relating to the whole world.
Weird, ingredients, and taste.
Weird means very strange. Ingredients are the foods you mix to make a meal, and taste is the flavor of food in your mouth.
Wow, what a fantastic review! You are a great teacher, Bob, and you are great students, friends.
Thank you, Sophia, and thank you to all our listeners. Now, friends, if you loved learning about our beautiful planet today, please join our global family.
Yes, hit that subscribe button right now. When you subscribe, you connect with us every single week for a fun new English lesson.
And now it is time for the final challenge.
Listen carefully, friends. Imagine you have a magic ticket in your hand right now. This magic ticket can give you a free flight to anywhere on planet Earth.
Where do you want to go? Do you want to visit the freezing ice, the deep ocean, the high peak, or a place with weird food?
Write your answer in the comments below this video. Say, I want to fly to, and tell us the country or place. Bob and I read every single comment.
Writing comments is a great way to practice your English. And if you smiled today, please give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends.
Thank you for flying around the world with us today. Stay happy, stay curious, and keep learning. We love you all. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, global friends. See you in the next video.
See ya. Now, Bob, my magic ticket is taking me straight to a pizza restaurant. Are you coming?
Only if they sell coffee too, Sophia. Let's go.